Hello everyone, welcome back to our ASMR channel where we bring you the best relaxation and tingles to help you unwind. In today's video, we'll explore the 3 most effective ASMR methods. So sit back, relax, and let the tingles take over. Method 1. Whispering and personal attention. Let's start with one of the most popular ASMR techniques, whispering combined with personal attention. This method creates an intimate and comforting atmosphere. I'll demonstrate how whispering gentle words and providing personal care can trigger those delightful tingles. You are safe here. Let me take care of you. Just close your eyes and feel the warmth of my words. Let me brush your hair. Feel each gentle stroke as it soothes your mind. Method 2. Tapping and scratching. Next, we have tapping and scratching sounds. These sounds are incredibly effective at inducing tingles and relaxation. I have a few objects here, and I'll tap and scratch them to create those satisfying sounds. Listen to the sound of my nails tapping on this book. Feel the gentle rhythm and let it calm your mind. The scratching sound of this fabric is like a gentle massage for your ears. Just let it take you to a place of serenity. Method 3. Role-play scenarios. Our final method is role-play scenarios. This technique allows you to immerse yourself in a different environment, providing a unique and engaging ASMR experience. I'll perform a brief role-play to show you how effective it can be. Welcome to our quiet library. I'm here to help you find the perfect book. Let's browse the shelves together. Feel the soft sound of pages turning and the gentle footsteps on the carpet. Let these sounds envelop you in a blanket of calm. Sensation is the process by which our sensory receptors and nervous system receive and represent stimulus energies from our environment. It involves detecting physical energy, such as light, sound, or heat, from the environment and converting it into neural signals. Sensation encompasses the 5 traditional senses: sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell, as well as other sensory experiences such as pain, temperature, and body position, proprioception. Each sense has specialized receptors. Vision relies on photoreceptors in the eyes. Hearing uses hair cells in the inner ear to detect sound waves. Taste involves taste buds on the tongue that respond to chemicals in food. Smell is detected by olfactory receptors in the nose. Touch is sensed by various receptors in the skin that respond to pressure, temperature, and pain. ASMR, autonomous sensory meridian response, triggers are specific sounds, visuals, or tactile stimuli that induce a tingling sensation, typically starting at the scalp and moving down the spine. Common ASMR triggers include whispering, gentle, soft-spoken words; tapping, repetitive tapping on various surfaces; scratching, the sound of nails or objects scratching different textures; personal attention, simulated personal care activities such as haircuts or makeup application; crinkling, the sound of crinkling paper or plastic; page turning, the gentle sound of flipping through pages; brushing, sounds and visuals of brushes moving through hair or against surfaces; mouth sounds, subtle sounds like chewing or lip smacking; ambient sounds, soothing background noises like rain or ocean waves. Auditory ASMR, autonomous sensory meridian response, refers to the specific sounds that trigger a tingling sensation, usually starting on the scalp and moving down the neck and spine. This sensation is often described as deeply relaxing and pleasant. Auditory ASMR is one of the most common and effective types of ASMR triggers, with various sounds used to elicit this response. Here's an in-depth look at auditory ASMR. Benefits of auditory ASMR. Relaxation. Many people find auditory ASMR triggers deeply relaxing, helping them to unwind and reduce stress. Sleep aid. ASMR sounds are often used to improve sleep quality and combat insomnia by creating a calming bedtime routine. Stress relief. The soothing nature of ASMR sounds can help lower anxiety and provide a sense of comfort. Mood enhancement. Some individuals report feeling happier and more content after experiencing ASMR. Focus and concentration. Certain ASMR sounds can help improve concentration and productivity, making it easier to study or work. Thank you for joining me in this ASMR journey. Remember, you can always come back to this video whenever you need to relax and unwind. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more soothing content. Sweet dreams and take care.